Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. What I am going to do in today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to jump into my trading 212 stock invest, show you exactly what companies I have invested in, what companies I have invested in, which companies are making me money, which companies are losing me money. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get right into the video. The first company that we are going to look at right now is the company is Salesforce. Into Salesforce I put $268 since they posted Slack. I have made $3.67 when I put $268 yesterday to see what will happen at 1.39 return, which is not too bad. No complaints. Now let's go to the next company. The next company is PayPal. Right now I have got $469 in PayPal and the return is 10. The return is $43.81. So this company is one of the highest performing companies. As you can see here, the time where Trump and Biden were going back and forth, I got in at around 193. So far I wish I put more into them, and then at the point I basically put $469 into it. Then as you can see, it basically shot up to 217. So yeah, no complaints. I'm not sure I will take my profit and sell it. So PayPal is another company that I use a lot of. I do believe in them long term. I'm not just trying to do trading, I'm trying to do gross investing as well. So I'm going to hold it for now. For now, I do believe that things are going to be stable. The next company is Netflix. I have got $537 with a return of $7 in Netflix and 16 cents. 1.43 return, not bad at all. During the recent months that done well and that we have been experiencing Netflix. Now let's go to the next company. The next company is Shopify. I talk a lot about Shopify, as you know. I did a video showing you how to create a website using Shopify. I used Shopify to create the website. Shopify, if you don't know, is a e-com platform that allows people to create websites and sell their products. Whether it's very easy to set up a website. I put $517 into Shopify from that, and I do believe in the long-term growth of Shopify as a company. So I make $31 return with a 6.41 return. So I'm very grateful, I'm very happy. Now let's go to the next company. The next company is Tesla. I just have only got $419 invested into Tesla and the return is $157. So I got in around $399.70. You can see that it's on $599 right now. If I just click on the max chart, but that's a big increase. And what I have got is I should have put more into it since it was so cheap at the time, and that's the only complaint that I have got. That's what you get for not taking risks. I have made $157 in less than a week, and what I am gonna do is hold it, and I am just going to buy more of it. Now what I'm going to do, so as you can see here, different companies that I invest in, and as you can see here, I have got $5,482. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.